The best funnel builder value to make more sales. Hi everybody, Joe Barclay here from joebarclay.com. Coming to you again from our home on beautiful Loon Lake in the Adirondacks of Northern New York. And in this video, I want to share the best funnel builder value to make more sales no matter what your previous experience, no matter what business you are in. And before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post new videos every week and I want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. First, a couple of terms in case you are new to this. A sales funnel is a marketing system to take a prospect from the point of contact, typically a lead capture page, to the completion of a sale. It's what makes email marketing work. Recently, I posted a video on why collecting emails is my best marketing strategy. I'll put a link to it up here so you can check it out. A funnel builder is a program to create sales funnels and more. There are a number of funnel builders to choose from. The big name, you may have heard of it, is ClickFunnels. It's a great program, but very expensive. Let me tell you about the funnel builder I use and recommend and why it's such a terrific value. It can save you a lot of money and provide you with an unlimited number of high-quality pages at a fraction of the cost. It can do almost everything you can think of, from lead capture pages to sales pages, complete membership sites, and more, all mobile optimized. It will build complete websites and webinar pages. It includes analytics and countdown timers too. It even has AI or artificial intelligence built into it. And with drag and drop simplicity, this funnel builder is far easier to use. It comes with a library of templates you can quickly customize, and it integrates with all major autoresponders. I started online almost at the beginning of the internet. I created a lot of websites, landing pages, and sales funnels. For several years, I did web design as a side hustle, and it was all done the old school way, coding HTML. It was a lot of work and had a big and constantly evolving learning curve. I am blown away by how simple this funnel builder makes the whole process and how anyone, even without previous experience, can quickly and easily create professional looking pages that get top results. A couple other important points. This funnel builder has an optional but very lucrative affiliate program. You can earn significant commissions for sharing it with others. It's almost like getting paid to use it. And best of all, it comes with terrific training and support. And if you buy it through my link, I will provide ongoing mentoring to help you too. To learn more about this funnel builder and see it in action, follow the link in the description. I hope this helps you select the best funnel builder and start creating powerful sales funnels and more. Please feel free to reach out to me with questions at any time. I always enjoy sharing ideas with other marketers. You can read this and many more marketing tips at my blog at joebarclay.com. While you're there, be sure to pick up a copy of my free ebook. It will show you how to cut years off the learning curve and take the fast track to success by copying what works. And to stay up to date with my latest videos and proven marketing tips, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Again, I'm Joe Barclay. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again soon.